Hi, I'm Josh Fishman, president and owner of A. Fishman & Son Diamonds in New York. Welcome back to our Ultimate Diamond Education Series. Today I would like to discuss a particular issue that has been bothering me for quite some time, and it is really a more focused follow-up to the video that I recently recorded and which you may have seen about the difference between buying a diamond which is priced right versus buying the right diamond. This issue has to do with the GIA and its cut grade standard. Back in 2006, the GIA instituted a cut grade for round cut brilliant diamonds. And as a result, most people today have been focused on what are called triple excellent diamonds. They only apply to round stones, and it refers to the fact that a certificate will evaluate a round cut diamond as having excellent polish, excellent symmetry, and excellent cut grade. I want to focus particularly on the excellent cut grade standard because I feel that it is quite misleading for you, the consumer. And that is why this video is about the GIA's cut grade, the Pitfalls. Let me start by refreshing your memory about what I think is a diamond which is pretty and which is what you should be buying for. There are three elements to what makes a diamond pretty, which for me means a diamond worth putting my money in. Number one, the physical size of the diamond in millimeters has to reflect what a well-cut diamond should look like. Number two, the diamond has to be brilliant. And number three, the inclusions in the diamond have to be pleasing to the eye when looked at under magnification. My focus in this video is on element number one. What is the physical diameter of the diamond, and is it a size which is appropriate for the individual carat weight of the diamond? Here you see the basic diameters for what a well-cut 1 carat, 1.5 carat, and 2 carat round diamond should measure in millimeters in its diameter. For a 1 carat round diamond, 6.5, for 1.5, 7.5, and for a 2 carat round, a minimum of 8.1 millimeters. Why is the diameter of a round diamond so important in evaluating whether the diamond is an appropriate one to buy? In other words, is it the right diamond to buy? Well, diamonds of smaller diameter are going to cost less, even for the same quality, and diamonds of smaller diameter are readily given excellent cut grades from the GIA with excellent polish and excellent symmetry. So you are going to be faced with two choices. A diamond of full diameter, 6.5 millimeters, let's say, for a 1 carat round diamond, which has a certain price, and a diamond of the exact same quality, also triple excellent, which is going to measure 6.3 millimeters in diameter. But that second diamond is going to cost less. That's a diamond whose value is less. It's not that it's a bargain. The price may be exactly right, but is it the right diamond to buy? My answer is no. I've done some research through dealer networks where people list their diamonds for sale, and I would like to present with you a series of images in which I have listed for you certain range of quality of diamonds and the triple X nature of them, and how many of them are listed and how many of them actually fulfill element number one of making a diamond pretty, that the diameter is appropriate. For diamonds which weigh between 1 and 1.05 carats, G color, VS1, GIA certified triple excellent, there are 82 such diamonds listed for sale in the United States. Of those, only 44 exceed 6.4 millimeters. You'll notice that I gave you a list of stones that exceeded 6.4 millimeters. In fact, the diamond diameters go down to 6.25 millimeters with excellent cut grades. That is really small and really undesirable. Now let's look at 1.5 carat size diamonds between 1.5 and 1.55 carats, also triple excellent GVS1 GIA certified diamonds. As you can see, looking at this range of diamonds, there are 64 diamonds marked XXX GIA certified stones. Of those, only 18 exceed 7.4 millimeters. Finally, let's look at the same quality diamond for round diamonds that are 2 carat to 2.10 carats. As you can see, in 2 carat stones, there are only 55 diamonds that are listed for sale, and of which 25 are greater than 8.1 millimeters in diameter. Let me make a couple of additional points about what I've just shown you. Number one, I've listed diamonds for you which in 1 carat are 6.4 millimeters as a minimum, in 1.5 carat which are 7.4 millimeters as a minimum, and in 2 carat diamonds which are 8.1 millimeters as a minimum. In my ideal world, the 1 carat would measure a minimum of 6.45, the 1.5 7.45, and the 2 carat 8.15. The smaller ones, even these, are not as desirable as those that are a little bit larger in diameter. But if I had limited my search to just those, I'd have had very few diamonds. So you can imagine that the 44 and 25 and 18 stones would be even smaller in terms of appropriate and desirable diamonds if I used a stricter measurement. Secondly, I did not filter out diamonds which had fluorescence, or strong or medium or strong or very strong blue fluorescence. If I had filtered those out, the number of desirable diamonds would be even smaller. And third, we didn't take into account the nature of the imperfection. Now, in a VS1, you're going to have mostly very nice diamonds, although you could have some undesirable VS1 black piqué stones also. Imagine if I go down to SI1 and SI2, how many more undesirable diamonds there would be. So my caution and my lesson to you is to look at lists of diamonds and ignore the diameter of the diamond is a terrible way of going about selecting a diamond, even if it is an excellent cut grade from the GIA. Prices are going to be different and lower for these smaller diameter stones. The price may be right, but it's not the right diamond to purchase. Don't let a retail salesperson who doesn't understand diamonds convince you that triple excellent is the gold standard. It's only part of the gold standard. The other parts are the diameter, the brilliance, and the nature of the inclusions. Everything required to make a diamond pretty. That's it for today. I welcome your questions and inquiries about this very, very important subject. There's a lot more to talk about, which time doesn't permit, and in more detail and very nuanced. Until next time, this is Josh Fishman saying so long.